Good morning, students of class 9B. In class of mathematics, we are solving factorization. Exercise 4.2, question number 3C. Factorize the equation. Equation is 3a minus 2b whole square plus 3a minus 2b minus 10. In this, we see this 3a minus 2b and 3a minus 2b. This type of like terms are there. So I considered 3a minus 2b bx. So at the place of 3a minus 2b, I kept x and we get the equation x square plus 3x minus 10. I factorized this equation by splitting process. I splitted this middle term as 5x minus 2x. 5x minus 2x equal to 3x and 5 2 is 10. From the first two terms, I took common x. So here x is left plus and here 5 is left. From the last two terms, I took common minus 2. So here x is left. This minus will be changed into plus because minus plus minus, and here 5 is left. X plus 5 is common. So in bracket x minus 2, I kept the value of x, that is 3a minus 2b. So 3a minus 2b plus 5 into 3a minus 2b minus 2. This became the factors. Now we come to question number E, 3E. The equation is x plus 4 whole square minus 5xy minus 20y minus 6y square. So here is possibility to take common. I took as minus 5y common. So inside bracket x plus 4 is left. Again we see x plus 4 and x plus 4. These are like terms. So I considered let x plus 4 be a. Then equation became a square minus 5ay minus 6y square. I factorized it by splitting process. I splitted the middle term as minus 6ay plus ay. So from the first two terms, a is common, a minus 6y. From the last two term, y is common, a minus 6y. So a minus 6y common. So I wrote here a minus 6y into a plus y. I kept the value of a, that is x plus 4 minus 6y into x plus 4 plus y. These are the factors of the given equation. In question number H, 3H, equation is p square plus p whole square minus 8p square plus p plus 12. Let p square plus p be a, then this equation became a square minus 8a plus 12. I factorized it. I splitted this minus 8a by 8a into minus 6a minus 2a. Equation became a square minus 6a minus 2a plus 12. From these two factors, I took common a. So here a is left minus and here 6 is left. From these two, I took common 2. So here a is left, plus will be changed into minus because minus minus plus, and here only 6 is left. So a minus 6 common. So I wrote here common. What is left? A minus 2 is left. I wrote in bracket. Now I kept the value of a, that is p square plus p. So p square plus p minus 6 into p square plus p minus 2. I splitted this term. I wrote 3p minus 2p, that is equal to plus p. And this I wrote 2p minus p. So from these two terms I took common p. So this became p plus 3. From these two terms I took common 2. So this became p plus 3. Similarly, from these two terms I took common p. P plus 2 is left. Minus 1, p plus 2 is left. So here p plus 3 is common, I wrote here, p minus 2 came here, and here p plus 2 is common, I wrote here, and p minus 1 came here. This became the factors. In question number 4, factorize the following. Question number A, y square minus 3y into y square minus 3y plus 7 plus 10. I considered y square minus 3y be a. Then equation became a into a plus 7 plus 10. A into a plus 7. This is a. So a plus 7 plus 10. I multiplied all these two terms by a into a square plus a into 7, 7a plus 10. I factorized it. following the splittation of midterm. 7a is splitted as 5a plus 2a. So this simplification became 7a, but the multiplication of coefficient of this 2a became 5 2 is 10. So I wrote this in this way. Now I took a as common. A plus 5 plus 2, a plus 5, a plus 5, this a plus 5 common. I wrote here a plus 2 came here. Here I kept the values of a is y square minus 3y. So a plus 5 became y square minus 3y plus 5, and a plus 2 became y square minus 3y plus 2. Factorization of this is not possible because this is not this we can't split these two terms, as the coefficient of those two terms should be equal to 5, but we can't split this. So but splittation of this is possible, factorization of this equation is possible by splitting the midterm. I wrote y square minus 2y minus y, so this became minus 3y. Multiplication of coefficient t into 1 equal to 2, so the equation of this became y square minus 2y minus y plus 2. Now I wrote this equation here. From the first two term y is taken out, so here y minus 2 is left. From the last two term 1 is common, so y minus 2 is left. Minus minus plus, so minus 1 will be here, and here minus 2 will be there. Now I wrote this equation y square minus 3y plus 5. This y minus 2 common I wrote here, and what is left? Y minus 1 is left, I wrote in bracket. Now I wrote this in systematic way: y minus 1 into y minus 2 into y square minus 3y plus 5. In question number 4c, the equation is 12 into 2x minus 3y whole square minus 2x plus 3y minus 1. I wrote this equation in this way: 12 2x minus 3y whole square, and from these two terms I have taken minus common, so here 2x will come, and here minus 3y will come, because minus minus plus, and this minus 1 came here. Now let us consider 2x minus 3y be a. So the equation became 12a square minus a minus 1. Now I factorized it following the splittation of midterm. 12a square minus 4a plus 3a, because the product is being 12 into 1 12, and product is being 12 into 1 12. So we have to split, as the product of these two coefficients should be equal to 12, and the simplification should be equal to minus 1. So minus 4 plus 3a equal to minus 1, and 4 3s are 12. Now from the first two terms I took 4a common, so here 3a is left, here minus 1 is left. From these two 1 is common, so here 3a minus 1. So 3a minus 1 is common, I wrote here. What is left? 4a plus 1 is left. Now I kept the value of a. 3a, the value of a is 2x minus 3y. So 3 into 2x minus 3y, and this minus 1. And here 4 into 2x plus 3y plus this 1. I multiplied these two terms by 3. I got 3 2 is 6x, minus 3 3 is 9y, minus 1. Again 4 2 is 8x, minus 4 3 is 12y, and plus 1. So the factors became 6x minus 9y minus 1 into 8x minus 12y plus 1. In question number 4e, the equation is 2x square plus x by 6 minus 1. So I wrote this equation in this way: this step should be omitted, no need. I wrote this equation in this way: 12x square by 6. If we divide it, we are getting 2x square plus x by 6 same, and this I wrote minus 6 by 6. If we cancel it, we are getting minus 1. So from all these we are seeing that 1 by 6 is common. I wrote what is left, I wrote in bracket 12x square plus x minus 6. Now the multiplication of these two terms, 12 6 is 72. So splittation of the midterm, this x should be in this way, that the product of coefficients should be equal to 72, but the simplification should be equal to x. For that I wrote 1 by 6, this is carried here, 12x square this x I wrote as plus 9x minus 8x. So x we are getting, and the product of coefficient 9 8 just 72 we are getting, minus 6 equal to 1 by 6 into 12x square minus 8x plus 9x. I arrange the group. Without arranging also you can find the answer will come same, but I arrange the group. 9x minus 6. So here 1 by 6. From these two terms 4x is common. So here 3x is left, minus 2. 3x minus 2. From these two terms 3 is common. So here 3x is left and here minus 2. So what is 1 by 6 into 3x minus 2 into 4x plus 3. This became the answer.